In this video, I will guide you through the process of rounding numbers to the correct number of significant figures using two examples. Let's round 0.00368 to one significant figure. Here is how to do it step by step. First, we identify the significant figures and determine how many we need to keep. So our number is 0.00368. This number has three significant figures. Remember, leading zeros before non-zero digits are not considered significant. In this case, we want to retain just one significant figures. Next, we examine the digit that follows our rounding digit, which is 6. Since 6 is greater than 5, we round the rounding digit up by 1. And finally, we will remove all digits after the rounding digit. Since there is a decimal point, as a result, we round the number, we get 0.004. Now let's round the number 12,345 to three significant figures. The number 12,345 has five significant figures. Because all non-zero digits are significant, we want to retain three significant figures. Next, we check the digits immediately, following the third significant figure, which is 4. Since 4 is less than 5, we keep the rounding digit the same. Since there is no decimal point in this number, we will replace the digits to the right of our rounding digits with zeros. As a result, when we round the number, we get 12,300. Like this post and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Which example should I cover next? Please comment below.